Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the impact that fear has on our confidence. Now, when we are living in fear, we may live in the fear of what people think of us, how people perceive us, or how they react to who we are. We are living a very trapped life in that way. Imagine if we had to think about what people would think every time, we would never ever get a chance to live our true selves, and we would never ever embody who we are. When we live in fear, it has a major impact on our confidence because we in a way accept what people say to us, and sometimes that might not be good. Sometimes it will be negative comments or something which is very negative, and then we accept it and in a way feel that we are that negative comment or we are that bad thing that they've said. So when it comes to fear, we are actually living in a very trapped way, and we tend to adopt beliefs which are not actually our beliefs. They are others' beliefs, and we tend to live a false life because we end up pleasing them. Think about it. Our confidence is very low because we in a way accept that to be our life. We accept that to be our reality. We accept all the negative things. We accept all the bad things that are said to us, and that has a major impact on our confidence as well because we feel low about ourselves, and it's almost like they have control over our self-esteem, and they have control about what we feel. What we feel is in direct relation to our confidence. So when we are in a state of fear of what people will say, or when we are fearful about how they'll react to how we are being, or how they'll react to what we are wearing, or how we are living our life, we are living so much in fear that it affects our confidence when they say something. The key to this is realizing we can be who we are, we can be who we wish to be, we can dress up the way we want, we can live our life the way we want. We do not need anyone else's permission to do that. We do not even need to bother about what people will say, because people always have something or the other to say to us. So the main key is realizing that when we are in fear, we are basically fearful about what people will say, how they will judge us, and we fear that we will be judged and perceived in a very negative way all the time. We must realize that our fear must not be so much that our confidence is completely zero. Think about it. Fear is a low vibe, and when we are living in fear and we are living in this trap of what people will think or what people will say, or we are living a life just to please others or to impress others so that they stay in our life, we are not living our true selves. We are not living the way we wish to live. We are just living according to others. Our key must be to live according to ourselves, and we must understand that the fear of not being ourselves is making us feel even more stuck, and we will not even be able to manifest good things into our life. All that we will manifest is more fear and more low self-esteem and low confidence, because we will start believing that that's who we are based on other people's opinions and other people's remarks on us. We must have that much level of awareness that we can be who we wish to be. We have the freedom to be ourselves. The main key is realizing that we have the freedom to be ourselves, and we must understand that and live our life to the fullest. We must live according to our rules, and we must live according to the way we want to live rather than living according to how other people want us to live. It's our life, and we get to determine what we want to do and how we want to be. So all I'm saying is that the next time any such thing happens, we must realize that that is keeping us trapped, and fear will always keep us trapped, and it's a low vibe. So for us to be more confident, we must not allow those fears to have control over us. We in a way let it be so that it just fades away. We must not let it affect us in any way. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe so everyone can get the maximum benefit out of it. And until next time, peace, much love.